इथून जगचालन हुआ.
Good morning, respected coordinator ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. Today we have gathered here to celebrate an extraordinary occasion, Gurupurab, the birth anniversary of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, popularly known as Baba Nanak, the founder and first Guru of Sikhism. Guru Nanak Dev Ji's teaching of love, kindness, equality and compassion have inspired millions worldwide. Let us begin this assembly with a prayer.
Of unity and brotherhood. Let us embrace love, kindness and equality in our everyday lives. Now I would like to invite me for the thought for the day.
Good morning everyone. The thought of the day is God's will creates everyone. Therefore we must all be treated equally and respectfully. I repeat, God's will creates everyone. Therefore, we must all be treated equally and respectfully. Thank you.
Updating ourselves with current happenings is a good habit. It broadens our perspective and knowledge of news. Now I would like to call my friends on stage who have brought some interesting news from worldwide.
Latest technology in India is AI, means artificial intelligence, 5G, robots and machine learning. Artificial intelligence is a field of science that concerns with building, computer and machine.
Space tourism. Commercial space travel is making huge strides with companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin. These developments aim to make space travels accessible for more than just astronauts. Current offerings range from short-trip orbital flights providing a few minutes of weightlessness to plans for orbital flights. Space tourism opens a new path for adventures and pushes the aerospace and technology further. First wooden satellite launch. For the first time ever, a satellite made partly out of wood has been launched in space. If the experiment works out, satellites could help lower pollution in space.
Today, the maximum temperature will be 29 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature will be 18 degrees Celsius and the weather will be cloudy. Thank you.